Welcome back to the Drive Vault. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury isn't just about cars anymore. It's about bringing the Rolls-Royce experience to your entire lifestyle. And yes, it finally happened. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is here, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on wheels. Forget what you think you know about RVs, because this isn't just travel, it's pure art in motion. At first glance, this thing doesn't even look real. It's massive, yet elegant. Every curve and line looks sculpted, not manufactured. The body glows in a deep charcoal gray finish that absorbs light like velvet, while the gold accents shimmer subtly under the showroom lights. The massive panoramic windshield wraps around the front like something out of a sci-fi movie, giving it this futuristic presence that dominates the room without shouting. 6 massive wheels support its double-decker silhouette, each rim dressed in gold highlights and engineered to glide silently. It's not just an RV, it's a moving Rolls-Royce mansion designed for the next century. Step closer, and you notice how everything is perfectly balanced. The front grille, that iconic Rolls-Royce touch, is reimagined here. Sleek, vertical, and glowing with soft, ambient light. The LED headlamps are slim, almost invisible until they ignite with a gentle pulse. Around the edges, light strips trace the shape of the body, giving it that floating, ethereal glow. From the side, you can see it's built for both elegance and aerodynamics, something that feels impossible for a vehicle this large. And when you look through those tinted glass panels, you realize it's not just transportation. It's a mobile 5-star experience. Open the doors, and the interior feels like stepping into another world. The living area is jaw-dropping, a Rolls-Royce lounge on wheels. Plush black leather sectional sofas wrap around a marble coffee table that disappears at the touch of a button. Soft starlight twinkles across the curved ceiling, mimicking a night sky. There's an electric fireplace with holographic flames that dance silently. And right above it, a massive OLED display framed in polished wood and gold. The sound? It's perfection, tuned for clarity, warmth, and calm, like a private concert hall. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the glow of the ambient lights, feels intentional and calming. You don't just sit here, you melt into it. Move into the kitchen, and it's a masterclass in minimalist luxury. Everything is flush, seamless, and whisper quiet. The cabinetry is finished in dark gray with gold handles, matching the exterior. You've got a built-in espresso machine, a smart induction cooktop, even a voice-controlled refrigerator that opens with a soft chime. The marble countertops shimmer under the warm LED lights, and just across, there's a bar set up for 4, complete with embroidered Rolls-Royce stools. Whether you're parked in the Alps or overlooking a beach at sunset, this kitchen makes every meal feel like fine dining on the move. Upstairs, things get even better. The bedroom suite is pure serenity. A king-sized bed sits beneath another Rolls-Royce signature, a starlight ceiling that gently fades between shades of gold and blue. The bed's headboard bears the RR monogram, and the entire room glows softly in warm tones. The panoramic windows wrap around you, revealing city skylines or mountain ranges depending on where you wake up. On either side, touchscreens control lighting, temperature, and even privacy glass. And behind the bed, a walk-in closet. Yes, a walk-in closet. Mirrored doors, silent hinges, and enough space for an entire week's wardrobe. It's the kind of luxury that makes you forget you're inside a vehicle. Then there's the bathroom. And honestly, it could belong in a luxury spa. The walls are finished in dark marble, the lighting soft and golden. A freestanding bathtub sits near a tinted window, and when you switch to privacy mode, it fogs instantly. There's a rainfall shower, double vanities with illuminated mirrors, and even RR-branded toiletries neatly arranged on the shelves. The whole room smells faintly of wood, leather, and fresh air, thanks to an integrated aromatherapy system. You can literally end your day with a soak, gentle music, and a warm glow all around you. It's peace on wheels. Now, let's talk about what makes this beast move. Rolls-Royce hasn't confirmed all the numbers yet, but this motorhome is rumored to run on a hybrid electric drivetrain. Massive torque, whisper-quiet performance, and near-silent cruising. Think of it as the spirit of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, their all-electric car, stretched into a two-story masterpiece. The suspension is fully adaptive, automatically adjusting to keep every ride glass smooth, even on uneven roads. You could drive across the country, and your coffee cup wouldn't spill a drop. And of course, Rolls-Royce engineers have worked their usual magic on sound isolation. Even at highway speeds, it's as quiet as a luxury suite. But luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The estimated price? Somewhere between $3 million and $3.5 million, depending on customization. And if you know Rolls-Royce, you know customization is the entire point. Buyers will be able to tailor everything, from the exterior color to the stitching on the leather, to their own taste. Want a champagne cellar? Done. A private office? No problem. A rooftop observation deck? Why not? Rolls-Royce will build it exactly how you imagine. What makes this so special isn't just the craftsmanship, it's the philosophy behind it. This isn't about speed or specs. It's about creating the smoothest, quietest, most comfortable way to travel anywhere, anytime. It's about the idea that home isn't a place anymore. It's something you take with you. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines what luxury travel means. You're not escaping from the world. You're bringing your world with you, wrapped in elegance, comfort, and quiet power. And the design, both inside and out, shows what happens when technology and art work together perfectly. From the starlit ceilings to the seamless control panels, it feels futuristic but warm, cutting edge but human. It's not trying to show off, it just exists in perfect harmony with itself. The more you look, the more details you notice, and the harder it becomes to walk away. So, if you've ever dreamed of traveling without compromise, without losing that feeling of home, comfort, and pure elegance, this is it. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's an experience, a statement, and perhaps the most beautiful way to move through the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look inside the future of luxury travel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible machines, and let me know in the comments. If you had one of these, where would your first trip be? Because honestly, anywhere you'd go in this would already feel like home.